Brainy Storm presents Bill Gates quotes to inspire you to think big, work and get success. Success is a lousy teacher. It seduces smart people into thinking they can't lose. The first rule of any technology used in a business is that automation applied to an efficient operation will magnify the efficiency. The second is that automation applied to an inefficient operation will magnify the inefficiency. It's fine to celebrate success, but it is more important to heed the lessons of failure. We always overestimate the change that will occur in the next 2 years and underestimate the change that will occur in the next 10. Don't let yourself be lulled into inaction. Your most unhappy customers are your greatest source of learning. We all need people who will give us feedback. That's how we improve. If you can't make it good, at least make it look good. It's hard to improve public education, that's clear. The internet is becoming the town square for the global village of tomorrow. As we look ahead into the next century, leaders will be those who empower others. When I was growing up, my parents were almost involved in various volunteer things. My dad was head of Planned Parenthood. And it was very controversial to be involved with that. Technology is just a tool. In terms of getting the kids working together and motivating them, the teacher is the most important. I believe in innovation and that the way you get innovation is you fund research and you learn the basic facts. Treatment without prevention is simply unsustainable. Everyone needs a coach. It doesn't matter whether you're a basketball player, a tennis player, a gymnast or a bridge player. People always fear change. People feared electricity when it was invented, didn't they? People feared coal, they feared gas-powered engines. There will always be ignorance, and ignorance leads to fear. But with time, people will come to accept their silicon masters. I really had a lot of dreams when I was a kid, and I think a great deal of that grew out of the fact that I had a chance to read a lot. Legacy is a stupid thing. I don't want a legacy. I believe that if you show people the problems and you show them the solutions, they will be moved to act. In business, the idea of measuring what you are doing, picking the measurements that count like customer satisfaction and performance. You thrive on that. Money has no utility to me beyond a certain point. By improving health, empowering women, population growth comes down. We've got to put a lot of money into changing behavior. I believe the returns on investment in the poor are just as exciting as successes achieved in the business arena, and they are even more meaningful. I'm never fully satisfied with any Microsoft product. If you liked this video, then please like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching.